And hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, today we're looking at something I made. So first off, I have to say thank you to my buddy Rich. He helped me with it. This is my first ever bash. He basically helped me clean it up. But pretty much everything in it is all of my work, other than the first variables that I was playing with. He helped me with those, and yeah, got it pretty well cut down. So, as you can see, this is it. To begin with, we have your translator, or your whatever. Whoa, hey, bitch. Whatever it's called. Your language. And then we do a clear, so that clears the terminal window. And then first thing I say is hello. The text is in cyan. And hello, thank you so much for using my benchmarking script. Then we have a space, and then we have the line that took me probably the most amount of time. And that is getting the proper thread count for this program. So this line of code lists the CPU information, and then it pulls how many sockets and how many cores. It's just either way, this should work on multi-socketed servers. I have not tested it out yet, and it should work on hyper-threaded systems. So, yeah, if it doesn't, I need to add something to that line. But anyways, after that, after that we have the first part of showing the idle temp and the idle CPU speed in Celsius and Hertz. I'll get back to that. Another space, and then we have my warm-up routine. So what this warm-up routine does is it stresses the CPU out for 1660 seconds at a maximum thread count using the program called Stress. And the reason I do this is so you get more accurate numbers if you're running a program over a very long period of time. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, so we have all that. After the stress test, it shows what the new temperature is and the current working speed. And then we get into the benchmarking protocol. So this uses SBCbench, and I change the variables of the benchmark. So this uses the thread count for the number of threads to use for SBCbench, and it uses my bench variables. And here's the benchmarking that we do: 5,000, 10,000, 20, and 50. And I figure that gives it a nice sample size, if you will. What else? You can definitely see this needs some changing. Like, this shouldn't say 5K, because I had basically this entire thing written 4 times for each one, and Rich helped me condense it to this. Yeah, this program, script, whatever, has went through so many changes. It took me at least 10 hours to do. So let's go ahead and put that there, and we're gonna go ahead and run it. So I have HTOP open here, and you can see it's stressing out the CPU. Be back in a minute. Okay, and we're off to the races. And there we go. First result in, second result in, and 3, 2, 1. Ah, I missed it. Oh, yeah. I was going to say it should take 9 seconds, and then this one, if the CPU wasn't heated up, would only take about 22 or so, maybe a little higher. But with the CPU heated up, it takes about 30 to 31. So we should be finishing up any second now. And there we go. See? 30.7. Yeah. So what needs changed? I need to change speed and temperature to a smaller form, 37.7 instead of 34,730. What the fuck? I am brain farting. 47,729. It should be 47.7. And the speed, I think I want to do megahertz instead of hertz. So it'd be 816, and earlier it'd be 1008. So, as you can see, our first temp hit 51, and then we stayed around 48, but our speed did not really get changed too much. It stayed in the 800s. I mean, it did bump up to 1,000 there somehow. But then on the next two subsequent runs, it stayed pretty low. And that's why I think the heating up part is more crucial to give you a more consistent result. And for me, I knew that this would finish in roughly 30 to 31 seconds because heating it up gives me a consistent run, like every single time. So that's the goal, is to make my SBC videos more consistent across the line, and to allow you guys the ability to run it on your own systems to compare performance to what I show. There is a second part to this benchmark, but it's not built yet because it needs probably to be separate, since it uses Minecraft server, because I wanted to make another benchmark that stresses the CPU in other ways than just math. So, anyways, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't like the video, well, that other button does work. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, because I will be showing all, like, 27 SBCs running this program and my other one once it's built. So, thank you for watching. Bye!